Hello everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the demo for the virtual lab rental that we are providing. So this is the virtual lab rental provided by us. So you can rent this lab monthly. Charge will be there. A monthly charge is there. So in this lab, what we are going to provide, we are going to provide all the devices of networking like Apple OS X, Checkpoint Security, Cisco 3660, Cisco 9800, Cisco CSR, Catalyst, IOL. This is L2 switches, ISE, ICE, NX, Cisco Nexus 9000, Cisco Nexus. All the Cisco devices are there, including Cisco VIOS router and Cisco VWLC, okay, Docker, F5, LTM, FortiGate firewall, Huawei USG, Infoblox, IPM, Juniper, Kali Linux, MikroTik router, Palo Alto, Panorama, Slacks, Viptela. So SD-WAN is also available over here. Viptela vSmart, VPC, Windows Server, PF Sense Firewall, and so on. Okay, so these are devices are available. So the benefit is that if I want to use a Palo Alto lab, so Palo Alto is available over here. So let me click over here. So we have options for the multiple uh, firewall options like Palo Alto uh, software version 8.1.0, 10 and 10.2 and 11 and so on. So multiple options are available for the same. Latest firmware can be available for some devices. Okay. Even you can increase the RAM size like 8000. I can increase the RAM size for the same, but that is somehow a limited RAM could be available or like allocated to you. Okay, let me click on save. So this is the hardware. Let me try to access this one. So I will click on network and click on management cloud. So I can able to use this device. Okay, let me start the firewall. So it will take a few seconds to boot up. Like in our EVNG, it has take. But the benefit is that once the access will be available, you could able to use the advanced feature with the help of license actually. License can be provided with the help of that. A basic license is there that is used to access the hardwares. Okay. The additional feature can be used over here. So you can take the rental lab from us. Okay, please contact me in number available in the description. That is monthly chargeable. Have a nice day, everyone.